My world tour package came in and I'm so excited. What is world tour? So every year Scentsy does a get together with all the consultants, go over training, new products, new releases. It's just so much fun and exciting. So let's open my kit. Let's start with my handy dandy scissors. All right, first thing first, I am taking my husband with me. He goes with me to all my world tours. There's gonna be two things, one for him and then one for me. So the first one is our little notebooks. Look at how cute. So next thing is our lanyards. The purple one is mine. He gets the red one. Let's see here. How cute. So then we get our plastics for our name tags, our pins. The most exciting thing out of all of this is this nifty bag that they're giving us. It's like a crossbody fanny pack, of course, with Scentsy written across it. Oh, it has little baggies. Cute. Always wanted a fanny pack and now I have a Scentsy fanny pack. World tour is next month, which I'm so excited and pumped for. But that's it for now. Bye guys.